Let me show you a cool trick. It's very important to have the data cleaned up. So we have this pivot table, and now let's suppose we go back to the data. And over here from 13th to 22, we are supposed to have a discipline, right? But people make mistakes. So what if someone, instead of having a discipline, they put a number like 100, which looks good. Control Enter. And then we go to the pivot table, and we would like to refresh. And what's really cool about Excel is that if you have the discipline in the rows or in the columns, let's see if we move it to the columns, then it should show you that 100 somewhere. Okay, you can see it right there. Okay, it's hard to see in the columns. I'm going to move it back to rows. And you can see, okay, that's wrong. There is no discipline 100 in sociology. Okay, and you can also do something else. Instead of having the sum over here, I can right click any of the numbers and I can use another function, and the function can be count because I want to see how many mistakes I have. And it looks like I have 10. It even shows me by copyright year how many I have. So let's go back to the books data, and this time instead of that, let's just play with date. So I'm going to type 1/1/2000. I want to be in the future 90. Control Enter. And I go to the pivot table to refresh it. And let's see what happens. So this time it shows me the date. I see that I have 10 wrong dates, okay? Let's go back again. And this time, let's leave it blank. And that's a common mistake, to just forget to put something in. We go to the pivot table, we refresh, and we see blank. So whenever you see blank in your pivot table, be sure to go back to the data and check it. Now, if I want to see exactly what those blank records were, we can double click on number 10 over here. It will show the details for all those 10 records. And another thing we can do is we can select the whole table here. So Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow, go all the way down. And then we can use Control F to find, and I'm looking for blank, so I'm going to leave it just so. I'm searching by columns, and let's find all. And you can now see that it points me to the blank cells directly. So that's pretty cool. Okay, always remember to check your data. That's very important, but the pivot table can help you if you have thousands of records or tens of thousands, can help you spot those errors quickly. Let me now undo to have the data back how it was. I'm going back to where I typed 100. Okay, so now it's perfect.